Arts and Culture Award is given to the member of the psychology community who has garnered the most number of nominations and merits that contributes to the enrichment of arts and culture. The recipient for the Arts and Culture Excellence Award is given to Shakira Suma. Shakira received vocal training under the guidance of Dr. Lori Munir. Shakira plays supporting roles in notable productions, including the musical Alam ng Buhay, directed by director June Olasco in Jubail, Saudi Arabia, as well as the theater stage A Midsummer Night's Dream and Saglit. Before anything else, requesting all the Arts and Culture awardees to be on stage for their photo opportunity.
For that, let's hear the
Speech pala, sorry.
from Shakira Suma.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much. First of all, of course, I'd like to thank CSGM. I'd like to thank